Hey, what's going on, guys? MC Seth here. We're going to do something a little bit different today, because I know we're usually playing games or some such, but we're going to make a cake, so get ready. Right, so before we start, we're going to need an ingredient list. We need 8 ounces of self-raising flour, 6 ounces of caster sugar, 4 ounces of butter or margarine, 2 eggs and 2 bananas, and that is it. You want to turn your oven all the way to about 170. Sweet. Now we start by just mixing the 2 eggs with 2 bananas, keeping it simple, getting a nice wet mix to begin with. Right, now once those are mixed, you get your butter or marge, as we're using here today. That'll be the next step, and mix that in. Now at this stage it looks like puke, but you just want to add all of the caster sugar in. 6 ounces, quite a lot, but it's a good cake. Now it's looking a little less like puke. We're going to add half of the flour, so about 4 ounces of it. And in goes the rest. Okay, that's all mixed now. What you want to do is get yourself a loaf tin like this one. And just, I'm not going to use greaseproof paper, I'm just going to smear it with margarine. So after pouring the cake mix into the loaf tin, we just want to bash it on the side of, I'm going to bash it on the floor actually, it's a bit more stable. Just to get the air bubbles out. Beautiful. Oh, don't worry about that collapse in the background, I'm just filling up some stuff and washing up. So my next part is one of my favourite parts actually. It just includes more sugar. So you just want to dump a load of Demerara sugar on the top, make it nice and crunchy. Put a little bit too much over that end, but that's cool. You can never have too much sugar, I reckon that's plenty. So the next step, now the oven light's gone off, is to get it inside the hot oven. Wicked. Now we want to put that in for about 45 minutes, but what I do is I put it on for 35 minutes, then stick a knife through it to see if it's done, because sometimes it just does differently, depending on, you know, the ingredients like the butter and stuff. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so my timer's just gone off on me, so I'm going to open the oven up and just give it a little poke to see if it's done. Ooh, nice. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, let's just give it a poke down the middle. And you can see that is a fairly clean knife. So that is ready after 35 minutes. Very important once you got it out, just to go around the edges, stop any stick when it comes to tipping the cake out. Now I haven't really got a decent method for tipping the cake out, so I've got nothing to show you there, but I will show you the finished product. And there it is, the beautiful banana loaf. Now I'm just going to cut the end off. You shouldn't really cut it when it's this hot, but I want you guys to see the inside. It's difficult doing this with one hand, but it's working. And you can see you've got a beautiful inside there. No bits of banana sunk to the bottom because we use nice black bananas. Beautiful. So there it is, MC Seth's banana loaf. I've got the ingredients and directions listed down below, so if you want to make the thing, you can. I hope to see you again soon. Peace.